What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're going to be taking a look at Cardano and its recent price action, along with some talk about news and fundamentals and with the price prediction for the short and the long term as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for their continued support, likes, subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. We appreciate you all so much at the channel, and we've been growing incredibly fast recently, so thank you to all of you. Our community has been growing amazingly recently, and it's all down to you guys, so thank you so much. If you want to support the channel, please hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. Also, if you're interested in even more info, we're offering Patreon and YouTube membership for coin calls, and also more in-depth research of altcoins with massive potential. All the links are in the description, and in any instance you can sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, Cardano, like most smart contract platforms, since February, had actually been trading in its own kind of range. Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, and Chainlink were all showing signs of this. They were struggling to have any more kind of upwards trajectory past their all-time high. They did actually bounce off their all-time high quite a lot, but then come back down and range between 2 points. And obviously we can see the same thing happen with Cardano. It did have a massive surge in around December time. From a price of around 13 cents here, it actually ran all the way up to $1.50 in the space of around 2 months. But then since then, there hasn't actually been that much upwards price action for Cardano, and it's been struggling to break its all-time high. As we can see, it went up, touched around this 150 level, came back down, and it's been bouncing between $1 and $1.50 for some time now. Recently, it did actually break out of its all-time high in the short term and headed to around 156. But then obviously the market-wide FUD and uncertainty, with Bitcoin leading the market down with a 25% to 30% correction, meant that Cardano actually dropped from its all-time high very quickly and then headed down, and then double bottom retested against this $1 floor of resistance again, and it was confirmed that this was in fact a very strong resistance because it didn't break down through it. And this was also testament to a lot of cryptocurrencies that we've been reviewing recently. It's quite clear to see that there was a descending triangle, a descending wedge as it were, for most cryptocurrencies, and then following this double bottom where the momentum was lost for the downtrend, most cryptocurrencies broke out of this to the upside, and then since then things have been seemingly stabilizing and looking for more momentum in the market for the most part for most cryptocurrencies to continue upwards. Cardano recently announced that it's been announcing its partnerships in Africa, which has obviously been massively bullish for the price action. And although we didn't initially see any pump for it, it seems as though the pump has now started to happen for Cardano. If we zoom in here, we can quite clearly see that Cardano has made a new all-time high, and it actually wicked up to around $1.70 here, which I will mark. But it seems as though it's now retraced somewhat, and it looks like it's trying to gain more momentum to continue to the upside. And this is obviously very bullish for Cardano. It's been ranging between $1 and $1.50 for a long time now, and it seems likely to us that now that it's broken out of this trend, that we could well see some more upwards price action for Cardano, which is obviously amazing. The market cap for Cardano is very high now though, around 50 billion. So it's unlikely that we're going to get like a 20 or 30x from the current price, because it would be most likely a prohibitively expensive market cap. But on this channel, we do believe that Cardano could head to $5 to $10 or maybe beyond that, depending on how much of a pump it gets in the near term future. And we believe that if Cardano could get to $2, maybe even $3 in the next month or so, that Cardano could be set to get to $5, $10, maybe even $15 this bull run. As we said, there's a lot of bullish news coming out at the minute for Cardano. Obviously, their partnerships in Africa is something they've been working on for a long time, and if they can onboard users from there, that's going to be a huge deal for their network. We've also got the Alonzo hard fork coming out soon, so that smart contracts will be launched on Cardano. and it already seems like there's a lot of projects that are being built or are going to be converted from Ethereum onto Cardano. Charles Hoskinson, who obviously is the founder of Cardano, has alluded to the fact that there are hundreds of projects that are going to be launched once their smart contract platform goes live. So obviously this is going to be massively bullish for Cardano. And if they can get a large ecosystem, which is getting a good amount of use very early on for their smart contracts, we could easily see the price of Cardano have a massive run up in the near term. The smart contract platform launch is coming in the next few months, and most likely projects are going to be launching on that very, very soon. And going into the summer when the parabola starts to hit, it seems very likely that Cardano is going to benefit hugely from that as a result. Currently, altcoin season seems like it's just around the corner, with Bitcoin somewhat stalling out and lots of other altcoins pumping. Ethereum, for example, over $3,500 now, which is absolutely insane. We never thought that it would have been saying that last week, but it has just continued to pump. And we think that the money from all of these gains is going to trickle down into some quality altcoins like Cardano in the future. So our short-term price target for Cardano, we can easily see it getting to $2 to $3 in our opinion. Now that it's broken out of this pattern here, we're very likely going to see Cardano continue to the upside. And we think if it continues on this trend that we've set out here, we could see Cardano heading up into the $2 to $3 range in the next month or so. And if that happens, we do see Cardano heading much more to the upside in the long term. As we can see here, Cardano is heading up now. We could see it fall back to retest the previous all-time high as a support and resistance and then continue upwards. We do think it can go to $2 to $3. Excuse me. We do think it can go to $2 to $3 in the short term. Maybe it fall back and consolidate against this trend line, move upwards like this, and then continue to the upside. With the launch of smart contracts and all the bullish news coming out with partnerships for Cardano, it seems very likely that the price is going to continue to the upside. So our short-term price target would be $2 to $3 in the next month or so. And then for the end of the bull run, long-term price target, we can easily see Cardano getting $5 to $10, maybe even beyond that, depending on the pump that it gets in the next few weeks. So that's our video on Cardano today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, such as coin calls, and if you get the highest tier, you can get a look at our portfolio and we'll discuss yours. So please go and take advantage of that there. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by depositing $100 using the link in the description below. You can quite literally just deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then take the money out, so there's no reason not to do that. Also, make sure to hit the like button as it helps the channel out immeasurably. So if you're a fan of the channel, please just go ahead and tap that like button now. Currently around only 10% of our viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community continue to grow, so please hit the big red sub as well. You can sign up to our free Telegram via the description. We're really hoping to grow our community there. You can get all of our updates. It's completely free, so just go check out the description. All of our links are down there. Sign up to the Telegram, check out the Patreon and YouTube, etc, etc. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.